So hello, I'm Putu Ananda Savitri with my student number 221I101057. Now I'll explain it about IEEE 802.11 Standard Evolution of Wi-Fi Technology for data communication. First up, we have IEEE 802.11 the foundation of Wi-Fi. That standard defines the specification of wireless local area network, or known as Wi-Fi, that define the protocol of wireless local area network, or known as LANs. The standard have undergone significant evolution since the inception, resulting in improved wireless communication capabilities and widespread adaptation. Next, we have 802.11a that operate in less crowded 5 GHz frequency band and over the higher data rates up to 54 Mbps, that having a short range compared to the 802.11b due to higher frequency and weaker penetration through the obstacle. Next, we have 802.11b, the first widely adopted Wi-Fi standard 802.11b that introduced in late 1990s, that operate in the 2.4 GHz frequency band and provide data rates up to 11 megabits per second. Next, IEEE 802.11g, that building upon the success of 802.11b, that 802.11g standard was developed. It operates in the 2.4 GHz frequency band like 802.11b, but provide higher data rates up to 54 Mbps. IEEE 802.11n, the standard marks significant advance in Wi-Fi technology. It introduced MIMO technology, or multiple input, multiple output, which utilize multiple antenna to improve performance and range, that support both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency band and over data range up to 600 Mbps. IEEE 802.11ac, known as Wi-Fi 5, that introduced in 2013, that operate exclusively in 5 GHz frequency band and introduce wider channel bandwidth, advanced modulation technique, and beamforming technology. Next, we have the 802.11ax, or known as Wi-Fi 6, the latest standard that aimed to address the increasing demand of modern wireless network. That introduced in 2019, introduced several key features such as octagonal frequency division, multiple access, target wake time, and improved multi-user MIMO, that increasing capacity, reducing latency, and improve efficiency, make it suitable to crowded environment and demanding the application. Some of the key features and the advancements is multiple standard frequency band, that the IEEE 802.11 family standard includes the first version, that the standard operate in different frequency band, data transmission rate, that the standard has continually increased data transmission rates, multiple input, multiple output technology, that significant advance in the IEEE 802.11 standard, that use multiple antenna to stimulate data transmission and reception, improving throughput, range, and overall performance. Beamforming technology is employed in newer Wi-Fi standards like 802.11ac and 802.11ax, that enable the focusing Wi-Fi signal toward a specific device and improving signal strength, range, and coverage. VPA or VPA2 or VPA3 security, that the IEEE 802.11 standard has introduced various security protocol to protect wireless communication. Quality of service or QoS mechanism in Wi-Fi network prioritize specific type of networks traffic, ensuring that critical applications such as voice and video streaming receive preferential treatment. Power management, the power saving feature introduced in IEEE 802.11 that allow devices to conserve energy during periods of inactivity. Lastly, backward compatibility, that IEEE 802.11 standard maintain backward compatibility, enabling device supporting newer Wi-Fi standard to communicate with device using the older version. Next up, we have the application and the benefit, that increasing speed and capacity, that evolution in Wi-Fi technology within the IEEE 802.11 standard has led to significant increase in data rates and network capacity. Enhanced range and coverage, that technology have improved the range and coverage wireless network, which is the new standard over better signal penetration through the obstacle and extend coverage, allowing users to stay connected over large areas. Backward compatibility, which is the standard, have maintained backward compatibility, ensuring the device supporting newer standard can still connect and communicate with older device. Next, improve network efficiency. The newer Wi-Fi standard introduces technology like OFDMA and MU-MIMO, which optimize network efficiency by allowing multiple devices to transmit data stimulatively and more efficiently. Lastly, support of measuring technologies. That evolution of Wi-Fi technology has enabled the support and integration of emerging technology with a high-speed and low-latency wireless connection provided by newer standards facilitate the adoption of Internet of Things or IoT device. So in conclusion, the IEEE 802.11 standard has continuously evolved to meet the increasing demand of wireless communication. The evolution of Wi-Fi technology within this standard has led to faster speed, enhanced coverage, improved network efficiency, and support for emerging technologies. Wi-Fi has become an integral part of daily life, enabling wireless connectivity in home and business, public space, and a lot of. So that's all that I can explain from the IEEE 802.11, that the Wi-Fi evolution technology. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.